Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessings of Almighty be with one and all. Wishing all blessed Ramadan. By the grace of Almighty, we have entered yet another holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan is considered the holiest and most sacred month for Muslims. The initial revelations of the Holy Quran was during Ramadan. It is meant to be a time of spiritual and physical discipline, of deep contemplation of one's relationship with Almighty, extra prayers, increased charity, generosity, and intense study of the Quran. Fasting is one of the 5 fundamental pillars of Islam. Fasting from dawn to dusk is a commitment of the person's body and soul, a spiritual self-purification method. During this time, people acquire patience, strong will, and discipline. The aim is to strive for ihsan, which means righteousness and sincerity. There is a misconception that Muslims fast during the day and dine the whole night. This is against the spirit of true fasting. As per the teaching of the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, a human being fills no worse vessel than his stomach, as it is enough for him to take a few mouthfuls to straighten his back. If he cannot do it, then he may fill it with a third of his food, a third of his drink, and a third of his breath. Studies have proved that fasting has many benefits for the body and mind. Here are the main health benefits of fasting, backed by science.
Cellular detoxification. The primary detoxification systems of our bodies are the liver, the gastrointestinal tract, and the kidneys, supported by the lungs and skin. Their primary tasks are to process the substances we take in and to remove the substances that we don't need. Fasting improves the process of elimination, and it increases the release of toxins from the colon, kidneys and bladder, lungs and respiratory tract, sinuses and the skin. Without the incessant intake of food during the day, fasting allows the digestive system to rest. Improved cardiovascular function. Fasting can lead to a healthier heart, lowering cholesterol and promoting improved heart muscle performance along with enhanced blood vessel growth. Regular fasting can decrease your low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol. New research has found that fasting triggers a molecule that can delay the aging of our arteries. Improved metabolism. One of the more obvious results of fasting is alleviating obesity. Fasting prompts the liver's enzymes to break down cholesterol and fats to convert them into bile acid, which in turn converts to heat, ultimately stimulating faster metabolism. Naturally, fasting also decreases the appetite, which reduces the hunger hormone levels in the body. You may just find your portion sizes being significantly smaller following a period of fasting. Healthier brain and cognitive function. During the fasting process, blood in the human body is filled with more endorphins, which in turn gives one a feeling of well-being and great mental health. The overall effects of fasting has a similar impact on the brain as physical exercise would. One regimen in particular, fasting has been shown to bolster the creation of new neurons, a process known as neurogenesis in the hippocampus, a part of the brain involved in short and long-term memory, which in turn delays the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Stronger immune system. The immune system is largely comprised of white blood cells, and fasting encourages your body to recycle any old white blood cells, which results in a healthier, more robust immune system. Your body regenerates stem cells that consist of red and white blood cells along with your platelets once your body consumes food again. 10 amazing benefits of fasting. Reduced insulin levels, lower blood sugar, cellular detoxification, weight loss, reduced belly fat, lower inflammation, fewer pains, reduced cancer risk, better heart health, enhanced brain function, reduced Alzheimer's risk, better sleep, improved lifespan. To summarize in a nutshell, fasting is practiced by the rich and poor alike. It requires enormous spiritual discipline to forego food and water for around 15 to 18 hours a day.
It acts as a reminder to empathize with the less fortunate who suffer from the pangs of hunger, thus bridging social classes and statuses. Muslims are encouraged to donate a part of their wealth to the poor and the needy to alleviate their sufferings. Let this Ramadan be a portal for a great cognizance of the soul and its role in developing our connection with the Almighty. Thank you.